Hi boys and girls, this is Unit 9, Lesson 7. We are still working in customary units and we're going to talk about volume. So from third grade you probably remember that volume is kind of how much something can hold. So whether it's a jug of milk or a cup of orange juice, it's how much is inside that milk. So maybe you buy a gallon of milk at the store, or a pint of cream, or a cup of, like I said, orange juice. These are all units for volume, and we're going to do some conversions. So if you remember, you have this in your book, it's the big G, which stands for gallons, and inside a gallon is 4 quarts. Inside a quart is 2 pints. And inside a pint is 2 cups. So you can see that inside 1 quart is also 4 cups. Inside 1 gallon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints. Inside a gallon is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 cups. Okay, so as we go through, it's nice to keep this next to you so you can do some conversions. Okay, so here is our question. How many cups are there in 3 gallons of water? So I know that in 1 gallon, we just said there's 16 cups. 1 gallon is 16 cups. So you have to start thinking, well, if 1 gallon is 16 cups, what would 3 gallons be? If 1 gallon is 16 cups, what would 3 gallons be? So there's a chart. It's in the front of your book if you want to use it. But like I said, I think, this is a really good thing to use to help with all of these conversions. So I know that 1 gallon is the same as 16 cups. Okay, and sometimes I'm going to have to use the things in between. But for this one, I know if 1 gallon's 16 cups, then 3 gallons, I need to multiply it, right? Right, to get to 3 gallons, I'm going to have to multiply it by 16, which is going to equal 48 cups, right? Because 3 times 16 is 48. So how many cups are there in 3 gallons? There's going to be 48 cups in 3 gallons. And there's the answer through that, okay? So using this, you can tell 1 gallon, 16 cups. If there were 2 more G's, right? 1 G, there's going to be 16 cups. Another G, there's going to be another 16 cups. So 3 times 16 is going to give you how many cups in 3 gallons. Okay, so here's another one. We are going to look at a different unit of measurement. This is liters to milliliters. And I know that for 1 liter, there is 1,000 milliliters, right? This unit of measurement is the metric unit. It's much easier. 2 liters is going to be 2,000. So this is not one that we need to go over a lot because you are just going to multiply it by 1,000 each time or divide it by 1,000 if you're going from milliliters to liters. Okay, so let's look at the structure guided practice. If Patty has 24 pints of helium, how many gallons of helium does she need? So I need to figure out if I have 1 gallon. I would like to look 1 gallon, right? Back to 1 gallon. 1 gallon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints. 1 gallon equals 8 pints, right? 2 gallons equals 16 pints. 3 gallons equals 24 pints, right? Which is, this whole thing. 8, 16, 24. 8 pints is 1 gallon, 16 pints is 2 gallons, and 24 pints is 3. Patty has 3 gallons. Okay, so it can go back and forth either way, just depending on what the question's asking. You just have to look at the chart and take a moment and think about how to fill things out. So Benjamin has 4,000 milliliters of sand. So I know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, right? So 1 liter is 1,000, 2 liters is 2,000, 3 is 3,000, and 4 is 4,000. So I know Ben has 4 liters. Okay. I would like you to do the final check on your own for today, and let Ms. Lindberg or myself know if you have any questions. Lesson 8 is going to be the same thing. So the next time you will hear my voice is for lesson 9.